Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has so far followed the microwave patterns here. Quick reminder, we are dealing currently with a wave 4 correction. I think it's obvious that we're dealing with some kind of a correction here. We are not in an impulse to the upside, so that means we have to be careful. The downside target range has been reached, defined here between 118, 119 and 133 USD. We should still form possibly another low here. That would be ideal. Okay, but we're now already close to the Monday low. Okay, where the price already dipped first into this target range in this C wave. Okay, of this triangle. Quick reminder: we're dealing with an ABCDE triangle pattern here. At least this is the current interpretation and assumption that this is a fourth wave. So we have the A wave down from the high that formed in March. We have the B wave up, which formed in May, end of May. Then we have the C wave down into the June low. So you can see like 1 month for the A wave, like 1 month for the B wave, 1 month for the C wave. Let's get the DE done as well. At least this is what needs to happen in a triangle. The triangle, as I said, it's an ABCDE pattern. The C wave could be in the late stages. And then from there, a D wave to the upside could unfold and the E wave down, okay? But if we break below that $118, $119 area down there, then it cannot be a triangle because we don't want to have a break below the A wave low in a triangle. So actually the 118 level, even though it's a fib level, it's already a little bit too low for a triangle. That wouldn't be necessarily a surprise if we break below that level. We're dealing with corrective price action back to back. I'm simply saying I want to see how the market reacts to this trading area or target area. And if we break below it, then we are still in a wave 4 most likely, but it's a different kind of structure in the wave 4. It's also a correction. It's the same wave degree. It doesn't really have a major impact on overall targets and everything, but it just means that we are moving down more directly, quicker, in an A, B, C flat structure. In this scenario, the move down should turn into a 5-wave move. And we are dealing with wave C of 4 instead of an ABCDE pattern in which each of the waves or legs is a 3-wave structure. In an ABC flat correction, which this one would be, we are likely going to target the $109 level or lower in a larger wave 4, but it's just a different pattern, okay? Please be aware that corrective patterns, there are more than 10 different corrective patterns that can unfold in Elliott wave. Wave 4s are typically sideways corrections. Such a sideways correction is a triangle, but a flat correction also counts as or is seen as a sideways correction. So that's how I see this. Looking at the detailed wave count, let's go to the 1-hour chart. While we're doing that, quick reminder, probably tomorrow I'm going to send out the weekly newsletter, the MCO Weekly, in which I will cover again a cryptocurrency that I don't cover on the channel, in addition to lots of other stuff, other markets and everything. So if you want to register, you'll find the link directly in the video description. Our free newsletter, I cover it weekly, or we update it weekly or send it out weekly. Just make sure that you want to, so if you want to receive it, you need to register ideally today because it will be sent out tomorrow. I always remind people on Thursday, Friday that this is coming out. Either late Fridays normally, but I will probably not be able to do it today. So it'll be tomorrow. And yeah, it includes a lot of value. So looking at the micro pattern here in this C wave, it's a WXY structure. And in the Y wave, we have an ABC. And this C wave is likely still unfolding. Technically speaking, one more low is missing. What can always happen is that this 4th wave extends. So we'll see if we can wrap the 5th wave up today. Something like a truncation is always possible, that it finishes a little early. However, that is only valid in exceptional circumstances, really. So if we don't finish this 5th wave, which would involve reaching $127.30, $123.70, or even $118, $119, just one more low, then I'm going to watch for a larger wave 4. But then the resistance area is already defined. It wasn't maxed out. We could easily reach $146, and as long as it's a 3-wave move, it can still count as a correction. But above 146, I will have to assume that this C wave is done. That it finished in the target area, just that we didn't get that last low. and that we're already moving up in wave D. So all I want to share with you is, okay, where should it turn around in this triangle that's here, in this white box? And from here, I'd like to see the start of the D wave if the triangle is valid. Looking at the micro, to confirm an upside breakout, well, a break out of the trading channel or the channel to the upside would help, plus a break above 146. That's the update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.